Eggmas, day 15. So would this count as good soup?
Good soup, 100%. Well, shall we?
What do you want to do?
Bacon would be good. Mushrooms, because you're a fun guy.
And this is not really traditional, right?
No, it's not traditional. So the idea of chawanmushi is making a soup stock that solidifies in egg so you can eat it with a spoon.
Okay. All right. So let's see what we make with this stuff, huh? Okay. So in this Eggmas, today's show is going to be showing me something that you guys have been asking for the whole freaking month. So what are we going to do?
Chawanmushi. It's a soup dish that's solidified with eggs while it's cooking. So a soup you can eat with a spoon.
Let's do it.
Normally eat soup with a spoon?
A soup spoon. It's a soup that you can eat with a spoon.
Do you want to get a measuring cup?
Heard measuring cup. Measuring cup.
Measuring cup.
This is all I measure with, by the way.
So this is...
A pint. 2 cups.
Yes, that's a
So this is half a cup.
half a cup, and then we're gonna do a 2 to 1. So here, and then I guess 2 would be what, right here?
2 to 1, which is 2 of stock, 1 of egg. So we've got half cup egg, cup stock, turkey stock.
Flavor it with salt, soy sauce, whatever. I got salt, so I'm gonna go ahead and drop some salt in there, and then a few drops of soy sauce.
Japanese whisk. What's next, chef? Shrooms.
1 mushroom.
1 mushroom, 3 mushrooms.
Just one. Just one if you want to just cut it up into quarters.
Quarters?
Yes. Then you want to give me some bacon.
How do you want it?
Chopped up in the right way.
What's the right way?
The right way is the right way, chef. Ooh, that way though?
Okay, this is the right way to cut bacon, right?
That
here,
is the right
I
way to
guess.
cut bacon.
I don't know. Okay,
Perfect.
bacon cut the right way. Shrooms in quarters. What else?
Perfect. Just
Jalop?
thin slivers.
Then slivers?
Yeah. Jalops. And now we're gonna do is we are gonna stir this up. The color's a little dark because we're using turkey stock. So this is kind of like a, I guess, Thanksgiving leftover chawanmushi. Some bacon.
So this is authentic, right?
Super authentic. Just the way my grandmother made it. Please. My mom's gonna kill me.
Just like that?
Just like that.
Is that the right way?
Mmm.
That's what we got right there, Michael. Michael, would you eat it like this? Comment down below if you want Michael to eat raw eggs and soup.
That's it, and then you just steam it for 10 minutes.
Now, what we have here is a steamer. That thing in the water, steamer.
We're gonna put it in.
That's what she said.
Heyo.
Oh. 2 at the same time.
Close the lid all the way.
We have a beautiful little here.
And we wait 10 minutes. Heyo.
10 minutes, okay.
You ready?
All right, pull the
Look at that.
This looks good, dude. So would this count as good soup?
Good soup, 100%. It's soup you can eat with a spoon.
It's so jiggly. Look at that.
Right?
All right, dude. You want to try this?
It's gonna be really hot.
Yeah, it's really hot, Michael. Here, I'll give you a spoonful. That's actually really nice. Super smooth custardy. It's kind of reminding me of a savory flan. Here, try that out.
Look at that. Soup you can eat with a spoon.
All right, Liam. You guys know Liam, right?
Sheesh, that shit look bussin' on God, respectfully.
It's super hot.
Insert the clip of me covered in sauce. I've never had that before, but it's good.
Does it taste like Thanksgiving?
It tastes like more like breakfast than Thanksgiving, but it's really
Tastes
good.
like pizza.
Yo, I eat that.
Yeah, it's like supreme pizza
Yeah.
eggs, right?
Healthy pizza snacks.
That's really good.
It's the mushrooms and the pepper.
Some would say it's
Ah,
bussin'.
dude. So,
It's Boston.
how do you
Boston.
say this? Chawanmushi?
Bussin'.
Boston.
No, chawanmushi.
No, Boston, but chawanmushi.
No, it's bussin'.
Smash like, subscribe.